Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What you should know about acupuncture for weight loss. Acupuncture may help with weight loss by restoring energy flow and correcting imbalances in the body. Research suggests that ear acupuncture can lead to more weight loss compared to body acupuncture. Acupuncture is most effective for weight loss when combined with lifestyle changes like exercise and a balanced diet. Acupuncture may influence hormones like ghrelin and leptin that regulate appetite and metabolism. Acupuncture treatments typically involve inserting thin needles into specific points on the body or ears to stimulate energy flow. Studies have shown acupuncture can lead to weight loss, reduced waist circumference, and reduced stress-related overeating. Acupuncture is generally considered safe when performed by a certified, competent practitioner, but can have minor side effects like soreness or bruising. To find a qualified acupuncturist for weight loss, it's important to do research on their training and credentials, and check if your health insurance covers the cost. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. =speak